How does a dentist examine your teeth? The concept is similar to an architect renovating a house. He analyzes the general aspects starting from the foundations, which is the invisible part, the roots and bone structures, followed by the load-bearing walls and finishing off with the roof, which is the visible part, namely the front and back teeth. What are the general aspects in the mouth? The facial symmetry. If the anterior part, that is the chin, looks flattened, it indicates that there are several missing teeth, or teeth that are heavily worn out. As a result, the bite does not function correctly, and it is likely to be followed by problems throughout your whole body. The entire horizontal plane and teeth ensemble. Where there are missing teeth, adjacent and opposing ones will organically migrate towards the gaps and shift towards the empty spaces, creating a disparity in the correct mechanism of the whole body and therefore disturbing regular function. What are the foundations in the mouth? The invisible part, the roots. These need to be healthy and infection-free. Watch out for devitalized teeth that are, in 30 to 40% of cases, infected. These are major factors of many diseases found in the entire body. The bone structure, protected by the gums. There should be a harmony in regards to the gingival height. Bleeding gums can be indicative of bone loss around the teeth. This will entail in mobility of the teeth and ultimately loss of teeth. The bone structure also needs to be kept healthy and infection-free. What are the load-bearing walls in the mouth? The visible part, the 8 molars or back teeth.
En fait, on est dans l'étage visible avec les 8 molaires. Les 8 molaires qui sont ici au fond, donc ces dents-là sont fondamentales. Donc c'est ça qu'on appelle les murs porteurs.
Nature makes the back teeth larger with bigger root volumes than our other teeth, as they are the ones which bear more effort. They protect the front teeth from overload. Their presence is fundamental in order to support the load. However, wisdom teeth are not indispensable. They must be healthy and well guarded, especially if they have been treated before. Fillings or resin composites are rarely impenetrable. A sustainable seal is essential for the conservation of vital teeth for as long as possible. Vital teeth are your most valuable asset. Once devitalized, your teeth must be kept in order to ensure their longevity. What is considered as the roof structure in your mouth? That's the visible part, incisors and premolars, your front teeth. Nature makes the front teeth finer with generally one single root. They are more fragile. If treatment is needed, we must ensure that the back teeth, the load-bearing walls, are in a good state. If not, they will be soon prone to damage. Similar to the back teeth, they need to be healthy and well guarded. And again, fillings or resin composites, being rarely impenetrable, sustainable seal is essential for the conservation of vital teeth for as long as possible. These are your most valuable assets. Once devitalized, your teeth must be kept in order to ensure their longevity. How does your dentist sketch your treatment plan? He reconstructs the morphology of your mouth, bearing in mind and working as closely as possible with normal conditions to mirror the work of nature. He evaluates the foundation and moves up to the visible structures. If your dental situation is not normal, he proposes the adapted treatment for each stage. The objective? Restoration of the mouth with the purpose of ensuring the most efficient and durable end results. Your dentist does not invent anything and follows the organic guidelines of nature.